This is the automat. How does it work?
First, you put a coin in the slot. Must be jammed. Just a little twist with the Gadget screwdriver. Wowzers. That's the top secret Gadget phone. Is that you, Chief? You're where? Oh, hi, Chief.
Sorry to interrupt your lunch, Gadget. Here's your assignment.
One member of the Funny Money counterfeiting gang has escaped penitentiary. Suspect mad behind escape. Infiltrate prison as a convict and stop any further attempts to escape. This message will self-destruct. Got it, Chief. I'm always on duty. Duty calls, Penny. Well, I'm off on another top secret and dangerous assignment.
Bye, Uncle Gadget. Be careful. I'm worried, Brain. You better follow him.
Run! I wonder where the prisoners parked their cars.
All set for the breakout. Squint and Inky should be waiting.
Good. Proceed.
Huh? Gadget's here.
Today must be laundry day. No doorbell. Go, Gadget legs.
Anytime now, Squint. Claw will bust us out of... Huh?
Excuse me.
Who's there? I can't see.
Could you tell me where the prisoners' parking lot is?
Sure thing. In fact, I should move my car before I get a ticket.
I didn't see it on my way in. You'd better check. Go, Gadget legs.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
We'll get Squint after he eliminates Gadget.
Inky.
I guess he can't find his car.
Thank you. I'm a little nearsighted.
Exercise time's over. Everyone back to your cells.
I misplaced my glasses.
Wowzers. This is expensive-looking wallpaper. Did you do this?
I'm the best engraver in the world. What do you say we bust out of here, Buster?
No need to break anything. Go, Gadget key.
The big man sent you to spring me, right?
You mean you work for the chief, too?
Of course. Come on.
The thieves took paper and ink used only in the printing of money. Oh, that's it! Brain! The Funny Money Gang is setting up their counterfeiting operation. We've got to stop them before they start printing. You find Uncle Gadget, and I'll be there soon.
Hello. Goodbye.
We've got to be quiet. Come on. We're stuck. Use one of your gizmos.
Right. Go, Gadget key.
My glasses.
Let me help you. I found your glasses.
They're useless.
Sorry about that.
Oh, just get us out.
Go, Gadget key.
Yikes. Don't shoot.
Halt!
We're looking for for the prisoner's parking lot?
Squint,
Huh? What? Who's there?
we're coming for you tonight. Don't forget the plates.
But what about him?
That's Gadget. Get rid of him.
No problem, Dr. Claw. Have a nice sleep, Gadget. Too bad you're not gonna wake up.
Time to get up and make the bed. Time to get up, Mr. Squint. You wouldn't want the chief to catch you sleeping on the job.
Come on, open the door.
Where are we going?
We've got kitchen duty.
Wowzers! Maybe I can cook up my specialty, blueberry cabbage surprise.
Come in, Brain. I'm outside the prison now. You find Uncle Gadget, and I'll keep watch here.
Wowzers! Look at the size of those ovens.
Where? Better check to see if they're empty.
Right, Master Chef. Wowzers, is it dark in there? I can't see a thing.
Charge!
Go, Gadget, flashlight. Oops.
Oh!
Huh? Wowzers, it's alive.
Get me out of here!
Ah, that's hot. I'd be glad to help chop these cabbages, but I'll do it the easy way. Go, Gadget, copter.
Now I gotcha. What?
Squint? Mr. Squint? Maybe he went shopping.
Is everything ready to roll?
And the press is all set. All we need is Squint and presto! Instant money!
Contact the laundry truck. I'll be waiting outside the prison.
Yes, Dr. Claw.
Before morning, Mad Cat, we'll have enough money to buy entire countries for Mad.
Must be break time.
I got him! I got him!
Squint, the laundry truck is on its way.
I got him!
Good. Now get going.
Uh-oh. Wonder if that laundry truck has anything to do with the funny money gang.
Working kind of late tonight, eh?
Night shift.
Okay, go ahead.
I can't see a thing. I'll never get out of here.
Ah, so there you are.
Oh boy, am I glad to see you. There's been a change of plans.
Chief's orders?
Yeah. We're on laundry duty now. Come on. Oof.
I think it's this way.
Right. Is the truck there?
One laundry truck waiting for dirty laundry.
Let's go. I'll get him this time.
Squint, no!
I got him.
They sure take a lot of breaks around here. Wowzers, wait for me!
I know these gates are around here somewhere. Okay, buddy. I'll help you escape, too, if you tell me where the gates are. Take a left? Right.
Ready, fire lasers.
Dr. Claw! Can you hear me? Can you talk?
Did you hear something?
Use your homing signal. Good work, Brain.
Wowzers! Why is the prison laundry so far away?
It's you!
So where are the washing machines?
Right this way.
Let me help. I'm always on duty.
Here's Squint.
Hiya, Squinty. Who's your friend?
Hello, boys. Oh, it's okay. He's with me.
Are they working for the chief, too?
Yeah. Just like us.
Wow, this is a big operation.
Gadget, Inky, take our helper on a tour. Squint, you get to work.
All right. Take care of him, Iggy. You know what to do.
Yeah, come on.
This should really be interesting.
Let's get to work.
Wowzers! Look at the size of those presses. No hand ironing here. Careful now. Someone could get hurt. You have to be cautious around industrial machinery.
I'll get you yet.
This looks like the wallpaper I saw in Squint's cell.
This'll fix him.
Very pretty. These are nice, too. Designer sheets. This is a very fancy prison.
You failed twice, Gadget.
Okay.
This laundry looks like $1 million. I'm impressed. Sounds like mice.
What? I give up.
They started printing the money. Brain, are you in there? I'll find out how they plan to escape with the funny money. You take care of Uncle Gadget. They can't use the laundry truck. The police have seen it. The roof? Of course!
How much have we got printed?
Gee, I don't know. I can't count that high, boss.
Good. I'll meet you at Mad Headquarters. Destroy all the evidence and Gadget with it.
Don't worry, boss. I'm looking forward to it.
Squint wants you to wait in here.
I get it. It's a softness test.
Gadget'll get a bang out of this.
Aha! He's timing me. I'd better hurry.
Gosh, look at all that money. If it gets to Dr. Claw, there'll be no stopping him.
Let's get out of here. The bomb's set to go off any minute. Gadget will never know what hit him.
A bomb? Oh, no! Brain, there's a bomb down there. Save Uncle Gadget.
Time's not up yet. I can still hear your stopwatch. I'll soon know which pile is the softest. It's this one. It's definitely softer. The door's locked. No problem. With my gadget key...
Hurry, Brain, they're getting ready to leave.
A little twist and... Hey, you must be one of the counterfeiters. Halt, you culprit!
Brain, get out of there! Hurry!
I'm always on duty. There's no escaping Inspector Gadget.
Oh, no, it's Gadget.
Hey, wait! I caught one of the bad guys! Come back! Go, Gadget!
Brain! Quick, Brain, we've got to get out of here! Calling Chief Quimby.
That's the last we'll see of Gadget.
Gosh! Mine must have overloaded the rinse cycle.
You hear something?
Yeah. What is it?
Gee, it's Gadget.
Let's get the rest of those funny money types!
He thinks we're on his side. Let's take him for a ride.
They must know a shortcut.
Wow, these clouds are thick.
Look out, Squinty.
Go, Gadget skates!
Sounds like a storm.
This shortcut is more like a short circuit! Wowzers! They should be more careful with their cargo.
But you can't close the orphanage.
I'm for closing the mortgage, unless I get my money. This is your last chance. No.
Yay, we can stay.
Gadget's still with us.
We'll take him to see Dr. Claw. But let's get through this cloud first.
No.
They're going to crash! Oh, this better work.
I knew this was a shortcut!
22 degrees northwest locked in. That'll get 'em home in a hurry, Brain.
You know what you're doing?
I can fly this thing blindfolded.
We did it!
Warden, there's a chopper coming in.
Condition red! Condition red!
See? We're here! just like I promised.
Yeah, nice work, Squint.
Good work, Gadget. We've got the whole gang. And the money, too.
Thanks, Chief. Your plan worked perfectly. They never suspected a thing.
I'll get you yet, Gadget.